Hello, happy Thursday, or whatever day you're watching this, to my creative professional family. Hi friends, we are artists, we are doing it, we are trying, sometimes we are succeeding, we are making a living online, making art in our communities. Hi, I'm 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐤. Welcome to the business of storytelling. This week, we're talking about 4 voiceover niches that you haven't thought of yet. The first one I want to talk about is interactive voice response. This is the automated person who answers the phone before you finally get to talk to a real customer service person. Yeah, that's actually a person who records that, and you can get paid to be that voice. So why aren't you getting paid to be that voice? The second niche that you should explore, or maybe you'll consider exploring, is romance novels. Listen, I know a lot of people are skittish about lending their name to something so saucy and explicit, but there's a way to have your cake and eat it too, y'all. Use a pseudonym. Most romance narrators do, yours truly included, because it is a huge genre. And being open to this, perhaps with a pseudonym, maybe under your own name, it opens up a huge niche, and romance novels are a genre that's not going away anytime soon. In fact, it was the fastest growing genre of audiobooks during the pandemic. And it's not slowing down, y'all. By women, for women, recorded by women. There's no reason you shouldn't get a piece of that pie. Okay. The third niche that I recommend exploring, if you haven't already, this is one I'm trying to dip my toe into. This is audio description. So this is a niche, like I just said, I've currently got my sights on. I'm looking to expand into it because audio description, if you're not familiar, it's used in film, certain versions of film. It's audio description and closed captions are ways that film is made more accessible for viewers with different needs. So audio description is for viewers with impaired vision. So the voice actor describes action sequences and other elements of the story that aren't part of the dialogue. So that's a really exciting way to tell stories, and I'm personally super pumped by it. 2023, for me, we're getting into audio description. So, by the way, if that's you or you know about it, come to me, let's have a chat. The fourth genre and niche that I recommend exploring, that you might not have heard of, is explainer videos. This is definitely not the most exciting niche, but explainer videos are an in-demand voiceover area. Nearly all companies and websites have videos on that website to explain their products, which are much more effective. These videos are much more effective with a trustworthy voice behind it all. Why isn't that voice you? Why aren't you doing these things? You could. So what are you waiting for? Y'all, I think you should explore a new niche this week. And guess what? We're back next week with some specific tips for getting started in your new niche. So first up, go research, do a little Googling, see what you want to explore, and then make sure to subscribe below for next week's video so you don't miss it. Maybe you'll learn more about IVR, interactive voice response, romance novels, explainer videos, audio description. I want to hear all about it, y'all. I love hearing from you. It is the best to look down and see comments. I reply to every single one. And I just think y'all are beautiful humans. I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by each week. It means a lot to me, and it's lovely to get to share this creative life with someone. Before we go today, actually, I wanted to take a moment to chat about an upcoming opportunity that I'm putting together for voiceover artists. This will be in April for the business of storytelling folks. So this is like us putting it together. It's a virtual audition retreat. It'll be over the weekend of April 20th to 24th. We'll get together virtually to sharpen our audition skills. We'll submit lots of auditions and find out other ways people are working, kind of get together for a networking and exploration. Plus, there will be a special prize for whoever submits the most auditions over the weekend. There will be more details coming, but I just wanted to put a bug in your ear so you can mark your calendars for April 20th to 24th. I'm really excited for this new community experience that we're putting together. So it'll be April 20th to 24th, a virtual audition retreat. We can get to know each other and in the process become better voiceover artists at the same time. 2 birds, 1 stone, proverbially. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. You're amazing. I love getting to know you. Make sure you're following along or shoot me a message on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories. I'm Caroline Cole, and I'm grateful for each and every one of